Your home deserves protection that never quits. But what happens when your security runs out of power? Don't let a dead battery leave your home vulnerable. Introducing the Arlo Rechargeable Battery, the power behind your wire-free video doorbell. Brought to you by Telquest International. This high-performance lithium-ion battery is engineered exclusively for Arlo wire-free video doorbells. Swapping it out takes seconds. No tools, no tech headaches. Just simple, reliable power, exactly when you need it. Enjoy up to 6 months of continuous power on a single charge, depending on usage and settings. That's peace of mind with fewer interruptions. Stay connected, stay protected. Whether it's a delivery, a guest, or something suspicious, your doorbell stays alert so you don't have to be. Keep your home security running strong every day. Order your Arlo Rechargeable Battery today from Telquest International.